guys, today I have an exciting video. It's a fashion video. It's a shoe haul. I purchased things from Shein for the first time ever in life. And yeah, I like what I bought and I want to show you guys exactly what I got. First off, excuse these because they are worn. On my slippers. I love these slippers. I love the colors. I love the little heart on it. It's comfortable. It's great to schlep around the house. And as soon as I get home, take them shoes off and put these on because I don't like shoes on in my house. So yeah, this is what they look like. And they're super comfortable. So I'll say 1 out of 10, they get a 10. The next shoes are these. These are the Karomis. This is what they look like. That's what that looks like. And I like them because aesthetically they're beautiful, 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 beautiful. But if you're in a rush and you're going anywhere where you're in a rush, don't wear these because they slip off. They tend to slip off your feet pretty easily, and they made my feet hurt. The fact that you know how there's a certain way you have to hold your foot in order to keep that shoe on, and what it does is it puts pain here in the front ankle, side ankle. So you have to be careful with these. I like them because they will go with a couple of my floral dresses, couple of dresses I have. So for the aesthetic look and the fact that they are comfortable. So I will be wearing these again. Is a camouflage sandal. I like them. I like the strap because the strap holds it very secure. You're not doing that thing where you're trying to hold that shoe up, that heel, that flat up. And yeah, it looks great, feels great. I bought it in my size. These here, another one of my favorites. I like it because the outside has almost a towel type of fabric to it. It's got that great strap so you know your foot's not going to fall out. It's comfortable because you've got a little bit of that fabric that's on the outside. You got some of that on the inside as well, and it is well cushioned. So yeah, are definitely a 10. These I will give it 8 only because I could see after a while this strapping is going to get annoying. Because I needed a really good workout sneaker, good walking sneaker. You know, I work out, so I need something that's good, that's going to support my foot, my ankles, and this really works. These are comfortable. It's like walking on a cloud, and I've been wearing these quite often, and I am happy that I wear them every single time. They don't disappoint. 10 out of 10. These here, I will rate these a 6 out of 10. It is a little big, but I know I can get good use out of them in the summer and in the spring going to barbecues. The sole is nice. You know, the sole is nice. This faux leather is good material, strong. So yeah, I would definitely give this maybe an 8. Alright guys, that's the end of that video. Let me know what your favorites were. And yeah, get back to me on that. I'd love to know what you guys like, what you guys have been looking for as far as shoes for this upcoming seasons. You know, what are you into? Which one of these was your favorite? Let me know all of that in the comment section below. Alright, love you guys. Click like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.